Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video. Today we're showcasing the latest Woodpeckers tools of 2026 that every woodworker should see. From precision measuring upgrades to innovative layout solutions, these tools are built for accuracy, durability, and performance. Whether you're a pro or DIY enthusiast, these new releases can take your projects to the next level. Carbide tipped spoilboard bits. Woodpeckers Ultra-Shear carbide tipped spoilboard bits are built for efficient flattening and surfacing of slabs, workbenches, and cutting boards. Made with precision ground carbide edges, they deliver smooth finishes with minimal sanding. The multi-flute design, available in 3 or 4 flutes, ensures faster material removal and cleaner cuts. Offered in multiple diameters, they suit everything from compact palm rooters to large machines. Ideal for hobbyists, these bits provide a cost-effective alternative to insert-style cutters, while maintaining reliable performance for everyday workshop use.
Indexable miter gauge. The Woodpeckers Indexable miter gauge is a precision table saw accessory designed for accurate, repeatable cuts. It features a patented miter bar with leaf springs for a snug backlash-free fit in standard slots. The indexing protractor head allows quick, perfect alignment at common angles, while a laser-engraved scale ensures fine adjustments. Its extendable aluminum fence and micro-adjustable flip stop improve control and consistency, while the sacrificial block minimizes tear-out, making it ideal for professional woodworking tasks. Polycarbonate mallets. The Woodpeckers Polycarbonate mallet is a premium striking tool engineered for controlled, dead blows without rebound. Its polycarbonate head absorbs shock while delivering strong, precise force, making it ideal for delicate joinery. The forgiving surface minimizes damage or marks on workpieces. Built with a steel core tenon and aircraft-grade aluminum handle, it offers durability and balance. Available in clear or black, it includes a racket holder and is priced around $129.99 as of 2026. The Woodpeckers wheel, marking gauge with micro adjust, is a precision layout tool for fine hand tool joinery. It features a high-resolution micro-adjustment barrel, allowing ultra-fine tweaks, and an extended stainless steel fence for superior edge or end support. Its razor-thin, Swiss-turned wheel knife marks fibers cleanly without tearing. The ergonomic anodized aluminum body ensures comfort, while laser-engraved imperial or metric scales provide accuracy. Optional versions include an integrated pencil and dual scribe capabilities for complex layouts.
Bench Chisel Completer Set. The Woodpeckers. A Bench Chisel Completer Set is a premium 5-piece expansion designed to complete your chisel collection with precision and versatility. Featuring 2 steel blades from Blue Spruce Toolworks, these chisels come pre-lapped for immediate use and deliver excellent edge retention. The ergonomic octagonal handles provide superior control and prevent rolling. With sizes ranging from 1/8 of an inch to 1.5 inches, this limited one-time tool release ensures woodworkers achieve a complete 9-piece set for detailed joinery tasks. Stainless steel gauge blocks. Woodpeckers. Stainless steel gauge blocks are precision reference tools built for accurate machine setup in woodworking and machining. Made from solid stainless steel, they offer superior durability and a stable, heavy feel. Available in GB225, 45 degrees and 90 degrees, and GB369, 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees profiles, they cover essential angles. Each 3/8 inch thick block stands independently, features laser-engraved metric and imperial scales, and has a satin finish for glare-free visibility, ensuring reliable, repeatable adjustments in any workshop environment. V-Groove Finger Grip Bits. Woodpeckers Ultra-Shear V-Groove Finger Grip Bits are precision carbide-tipped router bits designed to cut clean, consistent V-grooves for ergonomic board handling. Featuring a bearing-guided design, they smoothly follow straight or curved edges with excellent control. The radiused apex prevents debris buildup and improves finishing quality. Available in multiple sizes, these bits suit various board thicknesses, with the large model offering interchangeable bearings for adjustable depth, making them highly versatile for professional and DIY woodworking projects. In-Dexable Combination Square. The Woodpeckers. In-Dexable Combination Square is a high-precision layout tool that upgrades the classic design with modern accuracy features. Its spring-loaded indexing pin locks the blade at exact intervals, eliminating guesswork and ensuring repeatable measurements. Laser-cut scribing guides allow quick, consistent parallel lines, while the sliding support tab adds stability on edges. With modular heads and multiple blade options, it adapts to various woodworking tasks, making it a reliable and versatile tool for both professionals and serious DIY users. Adjusta-Joint Box Joint Sled. The Woodpeckers. Adjusta-Joint Box Joint Sled is a precision jig designed for creating fully customizable box joints on a table saw or router table. Its standout feature is the spacer-based template system, allowing users to design unique pin and socket patterns with ease. With ultra-fine adjustment, using a tapered index pin and smooth unitized movement, it ensures perfect joint fit and repeatability. Built for accuracy and versatility, it handles various stock sizes without requiring a dado blade. Cal-zilla Woodworking Rule. The Woodpeckers. Cal-zilla Woodworking Rule is a powerful caliper attachment that transforms standard woodworking rules into large-capacity precision measuring tools. It enables accurate inside and outside measurements up to 46 inches, making it ideal for large projects. Featuring dual-function jaws, smooth UHMW glide strips, and a non-marring locking system, it ensures precision without damaging surfaces. Compatible with multiple rule sizes, it also includes hole center attachments for advanced measuring tasks, delivering versatility and professional-grade accuracy.
Woodpeckers Mini Square. The Woodpeckers Mini Square is a compact, ultra-precise tool ideal for checking the squareness of small tools and detailed woodworking tasks. Milled from aircraft-grade aluminum, it offers a durable, lightweight build that won't scratch cutting edges. Its 1 1/8 inch by 2 inch size makes it perfect for chisels, plane blades, and tight joinery checks. With accuracy of plus or minus 0.001 inch per foot and a high visibility red anodized finish. This USA-made square is easy to carry and essential for setup and fine layout work. Precision Square. The Woodpeckers. Precision Woodworking Square is a high-accuracy layout tool designed for serious woodworkers and professionals. Machined from solid cast aluminum tool plate, it offers exceptional stability and long-term durability. The one-piece core construction ensures reliable squareness, while precision pin cheeks provide rigid alignment and a comfortable grip. laser-engraved measurement scales deliver clear, accurate markings, and the built-in shoulder allows hands-free positioning on workpiece edges. Its self-standing base makes it perfect for checking machine setups, cabinet assemblies, and ensuring perfect 90-degree layout lines in any woodworking project. Woodpeckers MortiseMatch. Woodpeckers MortiseMatch transforms the Festool Domino DF500 or DF700 into a stable bench-mounted mortising station for more precise controlled joinery. Its large phenolic table, integrated clamping slots, and mirror-matching alignment features make it ideal for small, narrow, or mitered workpieces. With an expanded mortise height range from 6mm to 30mm, it handles stock from 1/2 inch to 2 3/8 inch with ease. The quick mount carriage, durable build, and reduced user strain make it a powerful production-friendly accessory. Universal Cross Dowel Jig. The Woodpeckers. Universal Cross Dowel Jig is a precision woodworking tool designed to create strong, repeatable knockdown joints for furniture and shop projects. It accurately aligns the bolt hole and cross dowel hole on the same centerline using dual-axis stainless steel drill bushings. The jig wraps around the workpiece for stability and supports multiple fastener sizes from number 10 to 3/8 16. With adjustable depth settings, laser-engraved scales, and durable machined aluminum construction, it delivers reliable accuracy for professional and DIY woodworkers. Table saw gauge. The Woodpeckers. Table saw gauge is a precision alignment tool designed to ensure your table saw blade and rip fence stay perfectly parallel to the miter slot. It features patented auto-adjusting pins that automatically center in different slot sizes, eliminating manual adjustments. A high-precision dial indicator with 0.001 inch graduations allows extremely accurate measurements. The upgraded saw gauge 2.0 adds extended reach up to 20 inches, making rip fence alignment easier. Built with rigid components and supplied with a protective case, it's an essential tool for serious woodworkers. Woodpeckers Autoline Drill Guide. The Woodpeckers Autoline Drill Guide is a precision tool designed to make perfectly perpendicular holes with a handheld drill, ideal when a drill press isn't an option. Its adjustable base and versatile fence system work on large or narrow surfaces, while centering pins and a V-groove securely hold stock. With a large hole capacity, depth stop control, and laser-engraved alignment marks, it ensures repeatable, accurate drilling. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum and stainless steel, it's durable, portable, and compatible with most drills. Woodpeckers Pocket Gauge. The Woodpeckers Pocket Gauge is a compact 6-in-1 precision tool that delivers fast, error-free measurements for woodworking layout and setup. It handles blade and bit height adjustments, drill bit stop collar settings, marking and depth gauging, centerline scribing, and hole depth measurement with a dedicated 1/8 inch depth rod. Stainless steel gear, racks lock in perfect 1/32 inch or 1mm increments, while reversible inch metric scales add versatility. Built from anodized, precision machined aluminum, it includes a Racket TM holder and is proudly made in Ohio, USA. Woodpeckers Posilock Tsquare. The Woodpeckers Posilock Tsquare is a precision layout tool engineered for accurate angle marking and flawless parallel scribing on large panels. Its adjustable protractor head locks from 0 degrees to 70 degrees with positive indexing stops for repeatable accuracy. The stainless steel blade features sawtooth scribing notches and laser engraved scales for clear parallax-free readings. Built from anodized aluminum for durability, it offers excellent stability and comes in multiple sizes with a racket holder for organized storage. Woodpeckers Work Holding Kit. The Woodpeckers 2096 Work Holding Kit is a precision work holding system designed for benches with 20mm dog holes on 96mm centers, such as the Festool MFT. It uses durable aluminum dogs and phenolic wedge plates to deliver fast, powerful clamping with a simple tap. With multiple dog heights, adjustable trick dogs, and support for various shapes and thicknesses, it excels in routing, sanding, sawing, and assembly tasks. Quick setup, durable construction, and optional cisterna-style storage make it highly efficient.